We've all had that week. Kids running wild, dogs shedding nonstop, and dishes piling up. That's real life. But when it's time to sell your home, a spotless space isn't just nice to have, it's the name of the game. Now, I know this sounds obvious. Of course, I'm going to clean my house before I sell it. But you'd be surprised how many people don't go deep enough. And I'm not talking about a light vacuum and fluffing pillows. I'm talking about a real, thorough, deep clean. Think about it. Buyers are about to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes more, to buy your home. When they walk in, they want to feel like they're stepping into a space that's clean, comfortable, and move-in ready, not one they have to scrub down first. If your home feels dirty or neglected, buyers don't just see dust. They start imagining what other issues might be lurking beneath the surface. That's doubt. It's enough to derail the whole deal. I've had buyers take 2 steps into a home and say, nope, we're done here. That's it. On to the next one. I don't think people realize how fast buyers form impressions. It's not always about whether the kitchen is remodeled or the backyard is huge. Sometimes it's simply, I don't feel good in this space. And maybe your home isn't that bad, right? I'm not trying to freak anyone out, but we all get used to our own mess. I've got kids. I've got dogs. My house on a normal day, not even close to show ready. So trust me, I'm not judging. But once that for sale sign is about to go up, you've got to shift gears. You're not just living in your home anymore, you're marketing it. And this isn't just about tidying up, it's the details, those areas we all can overlook when we're living in our homes and busy. I'm talking about baseboards, moldings, ceiling fans, return and supply ducts, light fixtures. These spots collect dust, pet hair, and allergens, and most people never think twice about them, but buyers notice. Bathrooms are where a lot of buyers draw the line. If there's one place that needs to feel spotless, it's the bathroom. They need to sparkle, like hotel bathroom level clean. That means grout, caulking toilets around fixtures, shower doors, tubs, every bit of it should look immaculate. Same goes for mirrors and windows. You want people to appreciate the light and the view, not be distracted by the smudges or streaks, so clean them inside and out if you can. And the kitchen, that's another biggie. Buyers are going to open your fridge, your oven, even your microwave. They're buying those appliances, or at least mentally including them in the value of their home. And sticky spills or burnt on food, huge turnoffs. Now, let's talk about odors. This is huge. Whether it's from pets, smoke, or something else entirely, smells will absolutely kill a sale. And the solution is not masking it with air fresheners. All that does is mix fragrances and leave buyers wondering what you're trying to cover up. Instead, go to the root of it. Wash pet beds, vacuum regularly, bathe the pets, and if your basement smells musty, use a dehumidifier and remove any damp materials. For smoke odors, you may need to clean or replace window coverings, wash and repaint walls, or even bring in an ozone machine. And above all, stop smoking in the house. That's a deal breaker for, well, most everyone. Can you deep clean your house yourself? Absolutely. We even have a checklist to walk you through it, which I'll put the link below. And if you've got the time and energy, go for it. But here's the thing, when you're prepping to list, your plate is already full. You're juggling repairs, staging, packing, and planning your next move. So if you have the means, hiring a professional cleaner could be the best money you spend. It saves you time, gives you peace of mind, and ensures the job gets done right. And honestly, you'll probably make that money back anyway, because a clean home sells every time. So when should you schedule the deep clean? It depends a little on your listing time frame. If you're having photos taken and listing right away, do the deep clean before photos. If you're not listing for a week or two, clean before the photos, but save the deep clean for right before showings begin. Listing photos usually don't capture things like dust on ceiling fans or buildup on trim, but buyers walking through absolutely will. Bottom line, figure out your timeline and plan your deep cleaning accordingly. If you're DIYing it, set aside the day, round up the family, and use the checklist to stay on track. If you're hiring it out, schedule the service strategically. Clean like the deal depends on it, because honestly, sometimes it does.